The Sonic City. How will cities sound like in the future? This is Lucas. Lucas walks through the city. He recognizes a bird singing on a tree. But then, the silence is disturbed by cars passing by. Lucas is sad, because he cannot hear the bird anymore. He thinks about a city without any loud noises. Imagine a city where noises of cars are dominated by natural sounds. In Sonic City, there are no disturbing noises. Here are noise-absorbing machines which transmit only the natural sounds. When Lucas is walking through the city with his friends, he can now actually hear what they are saying. Also, he is able to hear the sounds of the birds singing without being disturbed by any loud cars. Now, Lucas and his friends are more communicative and happier. They spend more time outside because it's much calmer now. Be like Lucas. And go to Sonic City.